Can AI make the perfect pizza? And would Gordon Ramsay approve? Technically, yes. Sanjay from Indium's data and AI practice breaks this down step by step.
It starts with order personalization. AI algorithms such as content-based filtering, collaborative filtering, or clustering algorithms are utilized to recommend what toppings you would prefer based on your past order history, what other people like you have tried, or trending seasonal flavors.
Basically, your next favorite pizza is predicted before you even know it. Like Netflix, but for cheese and sauce.
Next is demand planning. We use ML models such as LSTM or regression analysis to identify the ingredient usage that could be hourly, daily, or sometimes even seasonally. This reduces food waste and ensures that the dough is always ready, fresh, not sitting stale. Once the pizza is being built, computer vision models come in. CNN, object detection, and segmentation are utilized to ensure that the toppings are evenly spread, not overdone or underdone. This is basically automatic quality control, frame by frame. Then comes baking. Here, reinforcement learning algorithms optimize oven conditions based on temperature, timing, and rack placement based on past outcomes. The system learns over time how to make the perfect crust for each pizza type. Last mile delivery. ML-based route optimization techniques and ETA prediction models take into account real-time traffic, weather, as well as the kitchen load to deliver pizzas fresher and faster. So yeah, AI doesn't just make the pizza, it recommends it, preps it, bakes it, and efficiently delivers it to your doorstep. Not science fiction, just data science in action. Follow for more on how data is reshaping everything from kitchen to code, because sometimes innovation smells like melted cheese.